It's like I don't know, like one, two, 3 clap or something. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that'll work. It probably looks so weird. There's a method to my madness. Look at me getting on this thing like I have reverse.
One eternity later.
We're gonna hit this one going up the hill here. Ooh, this is interesting. I hope this actually goes fucking somewhere. Woo! Oh yeah, it is. A little bit. Let's slow down for a second because I don't know these ones. Oh, big. Yeah, right. Okay, we got some little hill climb action here. Alright, let's see. I kind of like went up the hill. Woo! Man. This thing is like rough to ride right now, man. It's like rough to ride. I did, yeah. Oh, really? The fuck? That's so fucking stupid. Why does everything gotta be fucking directional? You think I'm going fucking fast enough to, or slow enough to fucking catch that shit? Fuck.
God damn, this is bumpy as fuck.
Yeah. Oh, it's beating the fucking shit out of me, dude. So, guys.
Jake, you can't do that.
Shit!
Not that.
Ah, really?
No, he almost biffed me. You were coming in hot in that corner, and I didn't realize it was going down, dude. Woo!
Well, hey, it just makes you better. I didn't know it was coming down either. I don't know if we can even go this way anyhow. I don't know. I don't know what the fuck we're doing, man.
Dude, we're following you.
I think we can go down there. I'm not sure. I think we'll go down here. I went right. Oh shit. And then wait. There's a fucking trail on the right as soon as you come out of there. I missed it. There's a fucking trail on the right down there. One that goes down. Oh, did you stall? Yeah. Fuck. Alright. Man, this thing fucking beats the shit out of me. I really need to change some shit. We should probably get up to the top of a climb though. That way we're not in the middle of everything right here. I'm taking a fucking rest. Yeah, dude. Over there?
Yeah, over here.
Okay. Staying over there. Fuck. I can't even hold the clutch in all the way anymore. Oh, God.
Yeah, because he was coming in hot, so I'm like, alright, fuck it, rip it, and then I see it go down, I'm like, oh.
Oh, shit.
Fuck you. Oh. Hey, fucking quit.
Oh, hey. Stay back.
Magic.
Shit. Got your ass.